Where to file your form SSA-1099 in TurboTax. That's what we're going to talk about here today. For you guys who are on Medicare and or Social Security benefits, you're going to get an SSA-1099. I'm going to walk you through where to file it in your Medicare, in your TurboTax software that we're going to use if you're going to use TurboTax. So don't forget to smash, subscribe, and share the video. Smash means smash the like button, and then, of course, comments below as well. So let's dive right into this, my friends. This is actually, again, pretty simple. TurboTax is fantastic. It makes it simple. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to go back to my info. And the first, don't pay much mind up here. We're just messing around. So we got my personal info. We're going to log into TurboTax. I'm using the TurboTax Live Deluxe. And we're going to go to my info. There I am, Joe Schmo. And then we're going to say what my federal, we're going to go to federal, all right, because that's what we're working on right now, the federal. And then you'll see these 5 items up here: wages and income, deductions and credit, health insurance, other tax situations, and federal review. So what we want to do now is we want to scroll all the way down. We don't want wages and salaries. That's not it. We don't want self-employment. We don't want unemployment. We want retirement plans and Social Security. So let's hit revisit for Social Security SSA, SSA-1099. RRB-1099 is for railroad benefits. We're not worried about railroad benefits unless you work on the railroad, which I do not. All right, so let's see what we got here. So now we're going to do an SSA 1099. That's what we're looking for. So I want to show you what a 1099 looks like. Here's a sample directly from the IRS.gov, and you'll see it's very simple. It's only one pager, and you got a couple boxes here. Box 3 is your total benefits paid. Box 4 is how much you repaid, if any, back to the SSA, Social Security Administration. And box 5 is your net benefits. Literally that simple. Box 6 is if you've had any federal income taxes withheld. And literally, that's all you got. That's it. That's your SSA-1099. So let's go ahead and did we receive any Social Security benefits? We're going to say we did. All right. Now, each taxpayer or each Social Security person is going to have a 1099-A who receives Social Security benefits. So in this case, we're going to say Joe and Jane. All right. So I got $13,000. Jane got $18,000. We're going to say we had no federal taxes withheld. So we look at box 5. Is going to be our net benefits. Again, it's total benefits paid minus whatever we pay back. That's our net benefits withheld. Now, box 6 will say if we had any taxes withheld, and we're going to say we did not. Now, this right here is your Medicare benefit premiums deducted from your benefit. And what you'll find, and we looked at Forbes, this is pretty interesting. I'll put a link to the show notes. This says this box right here, which is Forbes makes it hard. Just below box 3, you'll see a large box that says description of amount in box 3. And so we'll show you what I'm talking about. Description of amount in box 3. And this is where they'll show your Medicare premiums that were withheld right there. So they'll say Medicare premiums withheld. And you'll go back and we'll say right here, 134 a month. And what is that? 134 a month times 2. 134 times 2 times 12. That's 32. We'll just say $1,600 each, roughly. Just again, this is not a real tax form. It's just to show you how this works. And then we're going to say Part D is 34 a month times 12. Times 12. That's 408 each. So let's see what this does to our taxes. All right. So look up here is 14,258 is our taxes due. Let's see if this changes anything. I'm not sure, actually, so we will see. And we did not receive any lump sum payments. And that's, is it going to do anything to our taxes with the Medicare premiums being deducted? And I guess not. Okay, that's it. That's your SSA, 1099-SSA. That's it. As simple as pie. So you take your 1099, you look at these boxes, number 5 and number 6, and then it'll give you a calculation of what your Medicare Part B, Medicare Part D premiums were as well. And if you're doing a Medigap, it'll be Part C, and they'll show you there as well. I hope this helps. As always, like what you see here. Subscribe down below. Like, comment, and share the video. Thanks, guys.